Hi, my name is Abhishek Nandi. I am here at SIGGRAPH showcasing my work UnityML using the Intel optimized Python pipeline. This project is about Unity machine learning, bringing in the power of CPU to more optimize your simulations. This solution is based completely on CPU orientation. You can see on the demonstration, on the left hand side, it's an untrained model. We see that the balls are falling off. There is a plate, it's trying to support it. But after 50,000 iterations on the CPU, we get this output. It's trying to learn, it's balancing on its own. We have used the Intel optimized Python as well as the TensorFlow pipeline for our project. We are trying to optimize it for the CPU so that we have a normal desktop at our home, and if we want to build so many applications on our own, we can give it a try. Like the researchers who are working on Unity machine learning, if they have some research areas, research papers, it's very easy and cost effective to bring your projects to life. So we can do the simulations here using the Unity as well as the Intel optimized Python pipeline, and we can integrate it and we have a better solution for it. We see that there are a lot of changes happening in machine learning, and you see that there is a difference in terms of shifting towards reinforcement learning, now more towards imitation learning. We are doing an integration with virtual reality too. What we are trying to do is we are trying to build up many applications using the Unity pipeline, and we have different areas. Like if you want to support different kind of simulations like object creations, their movements, learning on its own, you can definitely give it a try using reinforcement learning and Unity. About my projects, you can definitely give it a try at devmesh.intel.com, where I share my details and my work. And about the program like Intel Software Innovator, you can definitely check on it software.intel.com. Thank you.